Welcome to Dad's Daily 101. Your go-to destination for health tips, beauty secrets, and better living hacks that make life easier and healthier.
Eat this daily and stay young forever. The secret of mushrooms. Want to slow down aging, boost your brain, and even prevent deadly diseases? What if I told you that the secret to staying young and healthy is hiding in your kitchen? The answer: mushrooms. Stay with me till the end, because you're about to discover why you need to eat them every day. Mushrooms aren't just another ingredient in your salad, they are actually a powerhouse of antioxidants. Researchers at Penn State University found that mushrooms are packed with ergothioneine and glutathione, two magical compounds that fight off aging and disease. When we eat food, our body goes through an oxidation process. This releases harmful free radicals, which attack our cells, damage our DNA, and cause deadly diseases like cancer, heart disease, and even Alzheimer's. But here's the good news. Mushrooms work as your body's defense system, reducing oxidative stress, and preventing these harmful free radicals from forming in the first place. Think cooking destroys nutrients? Not with mushrooms. Unlike other veggies, mushrooms hold onto their powerful antioxidants even after being cooked. So whether you roast them, grill them, or toss them in a soup, you still get all the benefits. And here's where it gets really interesting. These antioxidants are especially powerful for your brain. People with neurological diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's can significantly benefit just by eating mushrooms daily. Experts recommend eating just 5 mushrooms a day to keep your brain sharp. So, if you want to stay young, protect your brain, and fight off diseases, it's time to start eating mushrooms every day. Would you try this superfood? Let me know in the comments.
Subscribe now and join our community for daily tips and tricks to glow inside and out. Because you never know which tip will come in handy at any given time. So click on that bell icon to turn on notifications. See you in next video.